Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna go through a couple of trades that I already take and I'm still holding right now. I'm up 37,000. I'm on US30 and also gold. I'm just gonna go through exactly why I took those trades and to give you guys like an insight on the breakdown so you guys can have like a clear idea why I decided to look for buys or or sell, right? But in this case, I'm on buys on both of them. So I'm gonna go through, the analysis. So first of all, on US30, we're gonna go to the 4-hour, right? On the 4-hour here, we have this massive, push to the downside. Market found like a kind of support here on this POI on 4-hour, which also is a daily POI. As you guys can see, this is a daily POI. Market found support, creating us like a double bottom on the 4-hour, which is great. When I saw that, I said, you know what, I'm thinking about taking buys just because of this reason. So then I dropped to the 1-hour and I started looking for price action. So here this morning, what I saw is that market clearly is respecting this previous low here on the 1-hour, right? Market at 9:30 basically pushed down to grab liquidity here from below these lows. That's totally fine. What I wait for is like, if I'm not in a trade before 9:30, I always wait for the first 5 minutes, because I know market like to grab liquidity before doing any move, especially on US30. So basically what I did is just wait for the market to grab liquidity here on 5 minutes. Basically this is the candle that we have at 9:30. So we grab liquidity. When I saw that, I said, you know what, I'm gonna wait for the market to grab this and then I'm gonna look for my trade. Then after that, I have this big basically rejection right here, and market basically closed above this previous low, which is a great confirmation for me to look for a trade. Then I dropped to the 5 minutes, which I don't do so often to take a trade. I like to take it on 15 minutes, but because of the reason that I don't have any price action or structure here on 15 minutes, I decided to go to the 5 minutes to try to find a better entry based on a structure. All right, so once market, this is the 9:30 candle here, it went all the way down. Market basically closed above it here, right? The first 15 minutes before 9:30. So what I did, I was patient and wait for the market to do another pullback, and then I see this break internally on 5 minutes. As soon as I see this 5 minutes break internally, that's when I decided to start looking for a trade, and I mark up this minor POI on 5 minutes, which I don't recommend anybody to do that. I do this because I have experience by trading US30 and I know how it moves, and I understand, like, I've been trading US30 for 2.5 years, so I understand exactly how it moves. But I recommend, if you're new, don't do that 5 minutes. Try to keep into the 15 minutes to have a better chance of winning trades. All right, so here on 5 minutes, I took the trade, and once you retest this minor POI and pull my stop loss below the low here, which is the grab liquidity candle of 9:30. So I put it below here and I take my entry here. So far I'm up 20,000, 29,000. I enter a couple of positions here. I also enter on gold here, which is the one that we're seeing on the screen as of right now. I'm gonna go into now gold, explaining why I decided to take the buy. But basically here on US30, we take the trade. My TP will be this previous high. I really want to look for market to grab liquidity on the sell side market. So I'm waiting for the market to grab liquidity here, and that's my TP, which is gonna be a 1 of 4, almost 1 of 5, but I'm aiming for 1 of 4 at least, or 1 of 3. If I see 1 of 3 and I see market start making rejection, I might close my trade. All right, now I go to gold here, and I'm gonna go, it's super simple. Gold on the daily is in an uptrend. We're creating higher highs and higher lows. If you go to the daily here, you're gonna see that we create a new higher high yesterday, and market basically start doing a pullback, coming back to this resistance level that might now act as a support. All right. So then what I did, just drop to the 4-hour and start looking for any type of price action. Here, the same thing. I see a new higher high here, and then I see another pullback. One thing, the way that I trade is like I always try to find those POI or order block on the 1-hour time frame. So most likely the daily and the 4 hours for me to understand where I'm at and what kind of thing I'm looking for the day. And basically what I did, just drop to the 1 hour, as I just said, look for a POI or order block, which is this one here. Market come back to retest this here, and when I see this rejection, I wait for the market to break internally on 15 minutes, which is what happens here. After market touch the POI, we have a massive break of a structure on the 15 minutes, creating a new higher high. And what I did, just wait for the market to pull back here, and I enter once I see this rejection candle, which is here, and I took the trade here. So basically my entry is here, no below here. But yeah, I'm gonna target the previous high here, so I'm gonna go for 1 or 2 or probably 1 or 3. But so far everything looks good for me to still hold in these trades, especially US30. Right now I'm off 52,000 on US30. US30 is pumping. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. All right. So let's see how much we are. Almost 1 or 2.5. 1 or 3 is here. Let me just make sure that I mark up this here, because I want to make sure that I understand what I'm at 1 or 3, right? Because I always try to go for 1 or 3 almost every time. But yeah, this time I'm just gonna be try to hold it a little bit more. It's Friday, and I want to end out the week strong. So far, I'm down because that's something that I want to share, and so you guys can see, because I'm not always gonna be winning, right? And I want to be full transparent with you guys here. Let me just move it a little bit. And so far here right now, I'm down $18,000 for the day. So I'm down. I took the buy here too early, so I get out. Basically market get me out. And also I took gold here, looking for the buy here, right, around here, and also get me out. So I lose the trade. That's totally fine. And what I did, I just basically step off from the computer, took a couple of minutes, just refreshing my mind, and then come back to the market. And so far I'm up now 57,000. And this is how basically trading works. It's all about managing your risk, right? Understand when you're wrong and close your trade, and basically make sure that to manage your capital. Here I lost 18 grand, but so far right now, if I close, I'm up 61,000. So I'm gonna be like somewhere from 40 grand profit. So I'm just gonna be patient here on US30. Let's see if we get here. I might close my trade on US30, but so far everything looks good. And I'm really confident about market getting all the way up here on US30 and go at least all the way up here. But let's see how it plays out. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm up 58,000. So I think I'm gonna close my trade right now and call it off for the day, just because I had to do something right now, and I don't want to be in front of the computer. Also, I don't want to leave this trade run without me checking it, right? Sometimes you can be up 5,000, 10,000, and then you just step up from the computer and now like losing all the profit that you have. So I'm gonna close my trade right now. Even gold, it might play out. I just want to close it right now. I'm up 60 grand. So yeah, just gonna go close all this here and make sure that everything looks great. So yep, that's basically it, guys. If you like this kind of video, I know it was kind of quick, but I just went through exactly how I took the trade and the reason why I took the trade. And yeah, everything looks great. I'm up Right now I'm up 40 grand after being down 18 grand. So I'm pretty happy. I would have ended down more maybe for the day, but as I said, I'm gonna do something right now. I don't want to be in front of the computer, but everything looks good. So all right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video and take something out of it. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment, and I see you guys around. And remember, if somebody asks you what you do, just say we just trade. Peace out.